Okay, so we have sine inverse of x plus half of cos inverse of x equals pi on 3, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, now we are going to make a substitution. Okay, so you let sine inverse of a equals a variable, let's say a. I actually like using a. So if sine inverse of x is equal to a, then if you have to find x, x will be equal to the sine of a. Okay, like if you have sine, let's say sine x equals half. If you want to find x, x will be equal to the sine inverse of half. So in that same, if you want to get the sine x back, you just have to get rid of the sine inverse, and it will give you sine x equals half. Okay, so this is substitution. So we can write this whole equation again as a plus half multiplying cos inverse of x is now sine a, so we get this, and it's equal to pi on 3. Okay, so we are going to move this a to the other side, so we get half cos inverse of sine a equals pi on 3 minus a. Okay, now we are multiplying both sides by 2 to get rid of the half. Okay, so we will now have cos inverse of sine a equals 2 pi on 3 minus 2a. Alright, so just as we're able to find the value of x from this, we can also find sine a. So sine a will be equal to, because you are getting rid of this cos inverse, it's now becomes this. Okay, let's say you want to find this whole expression back, 2 pi over 3 minus 2a. You just have to get rid of this cos, and then becomes cosine inverse at the left hand side. So if you want to find sine a, you just have to get rid of the cosine inverse here, then becomes cos of the whole of the expression at the right hand side. Okay, so we now have this. Okay, now in trigonometry, if you have sine of a being equal to cos of b, what this implies is that a plus b equals pi on 2. Okay, it's a condition. I mean, it's been proven that if you have sine of an angle being equal to cos of another angle in a right angle triangle, okay, I mean in trigonometry, sine a, if sine a equals cos b, then a and b are complementary. That is, if you add these two angles up, you should get 90 degrees. Okay, so that's what we are going to use to find the value of a from here. So this is it. If sine a equals cos of the whole of 2 pi over 3 minus 2a, then a plus 2 pi over 3 minus 2a should give us pi on 2. Okay, so we just find the value of a from this. So we get minus a plus 2 pi on 3 equals pi on 2. Okay, so proceeding to find the value of a here, a will be equal to 2 pi on 3 minus pi on 2. Okay, so LCM is 6, we get 4 pi here minus 3 pi, which gives us pi on 6. So a is equal to pi over 6. But what was a? A was equal to sine inverse of x, or x is equal to sine a. We want to find the value of x, so x will be equal to sine of pi on 6. Okay, you know pi on 6 is in radians, so if you want to convert it to degrees, you just have to represent the pi with 180. So 180 divided by 6 is 30. So in degrees, pi on 6 in degrees is 30 degrees. So it's the same thing as sine of 30 degrees. And we know sine of 30 degrees is half, or 0.5. Okay, so our x is half. That'll be our final answer. Thank you for watching, and do not subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video too. Bye.